Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with personal break. This one is for Tamara. She picked box number 4. There it is, box number 4, which is serial number 172. Yeah, you have the Oilers. Daryl has the Oilers. So, you know, you're doing a master case. You got the Oilers in both sides, so you got a good shot at it. So, hopefully, you get it. Good luck, Tamara. Let's see what we get you. Again, if you want your Canucks base, or if you want a couple of players, you know, I don't mind sending it to you. And your overtime pack. First pack on top. Good luck. It is base Charlie Coyle, Tobias Reeder base, Kevin Fiala base, and Henrik Lundqvist. Nah. Not even a rookie in there. Boo. Good luck, good luck. Let's see if we can get your best here. Right off the bat, we got our first autograph. Future Watch, 287 out of 999. Cal Kosela. Callie Kosela. Alex Ovechkin, Authentic Moments. Spectrum, Brent Burns, FX. Betsy's buddy. Betsy loves Brent Burns. Right, Betsy? Haven't seen a patch yet. So, rookie year, Aaron Ekblad. Tamara, do you only collect Canucks, or you collect other ones too? And also, let me know if you want these base updates. If you're doing the whole set of Series 1, Series 2 base, you need those updates. So if you're doing it, let me know. I'll send it. If not, I'll put it in the base pile. Rookie year, Dale Hawerchuk. Just Canucks? Okay. Wow, we got a Young Gun in every box. Andy Walensky Young Guns. Anaheim is pretty loaded, actually. For 20 bucks, I'm pretty surprised why they're still there. Big Joe, Authentic Moments. This is personal. Brent, this is personal. Patrick Marleau, red. Just doing the personals right now. We still have 8 spots in the random number 1, and we got 5 teams in PYT number 1 and 2. Tanner Fritz Young Guns. You got 2 Young Guns in this box. Connor McDavid, Authentic Moments. I forgot to check for Canucks base. I don't even think, I mean, there's probably the Sedins in there. Louis Eriksson might be in there too, but. Matt Murray, red. Future Watch non-autograph. Anaheim Ducks again. 971, 999. Kevin Roy. And a Peter Forsberg, rookie year. Is the camera moved again? Oh yeah, it did. There you go. There's a Pavel Bure base. We'll throw that in. And Kailer Yamamoto Spectrum Future Watch. Sorry, I wasn't keeping an eye on the chat there, Nico. And, oh, nice. Patrick Laine Easter egg. That's cool. Patrick Laine, #1 draft. Would be nicer if it was signed. But your box is pretty loaded. We just need a good auto. Marcel Dion. Rookie milestone. 2 packs left. We need 1 auto. Okay, I guess last auto in the last pack. Marcus Johansson, red. And your last one. It's in a pretty decent box, but it's not a future watch. It is a limited autograph of Colton Perieco. Limited autograph. There you go. Oh, you already did a box, Tamara? Where'd you do that? Not the super box, unfortunately. But not bad. Your box was loaded. There's your Henrik Lundqvist. Michael C. Tamara. Okay, next up is Jason S. Jason S says doesn't matter which box, so we're just going to give him the box on top, which is box #1. You're cool with that? Jason Supnet, let me know if you're ready to open your box. You're next.